Hello my beautiful people, and welcome back to Everything Beauty's YouTube channel. Let's jump right into our next wig review, and it is from the Freetress Equal line. This is from their Level Up High Definition Lace Front Wig. Her name is Julia, and this is what she looks like. I do have her in an OT copper color, and we're going to see what that looks like in a minute. It comes naturally pre-plucked. It has that undetectable high definition lace according to the stock card. It is pre-plucked, it is ready to wear, and it blends in perfectly according to the stock card. And it says, take your lace game to the next level. We're gonna try Julia out and see if she does just that. Be back in a second. Specifications for Julia. So this is the OT copper color. Then she does have the lace around the perimeter of the wig here. Of course, you're gonna cut that off, ladies. It does come with the adjustable band. As you can see, you can adjust it accordingly. It does have a comb at the nape of the wig and two combs in the front of the wig. So those are the specifications. And also, don't forget, it has that 5-inch lace part here that you can see on the inside. We're going to cut the lace off, and then we'll come back and we'll let you see what she looks like. As you can see from the color here, it is OT copper. This is what she looks like. Now, the stock card said that the high definition lace blends in perfectly. I would have to disagree with it. I think you would need to put a little powder, darkening the lace a little bit if you'd like to do that. I did not do that with this particular wig, but it does seem a little light to me. So to me, it doesn't blend in as it said on the stock card perfectly. I do love the style. It does come very full on the side. I'm going to do a 360 so that you can see Julia. She is a nice everyday wig. I could see myself wearing this to work every day because it just has that nice length to it. It does come with those 3 combs on the inside along with your adjustable band. I'm loving Julia too. This is really a nice wig. I want to thank you all for joining me. Go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe while you're there as well. And we'll be back with our next wig review on next week. Until then, take care of yourself and definitely each other, and we'll see you next week. Bye-bye.